Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So last week I started a potato series and today I'm going to be showing you how to make potato wedges. So if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let me show you guys the ingredients we're using for this recipe. So for the ingredients, you'll be needing some Irish potatoes which I've cut into wedges. You'll be needing garlic powder, onion paste or powder, stock cubes, salt. You also be needing cameroon pepper, paprika, and vegetable oil. So before I proceed into the cooking process, I would like to show you guys how I cut my potato into wedges. So this is my Irish potato and I'm going to divide this into two and further cut the edges to get the wedge shape. So I'm using very few ingredients for this recipe because I like to keep things simple, but feel free to use any spice you like, but ensure paprika is among your spices because paprika goes so well with Irish potatoes. So this is how you cut your potato wedges. Now let's get into the cooking process. In a pot of water, add in your potato wedges. We're going to cook this for a few minutes, for like 8 minutes till it's cooked, not overcooked. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. So I'm just going to cover this and let it boil. So I'm going to use a fork to check if it's well cooked. So it's cooked and I'm going to take it out. Now I'm going to drizzle a little oil into my potatoes and I'm going to mix it. This would help the ingredients to stick to the potatoes. Now I'll add my garlic powder and mix. Then I'll add in my stock cubes and salt and mix. I like to add my ingredients one at a time so that each of the ingredients would be well incorporated into the potatoes. So I'm going to make sure I mix this properly till it's well combined. Now add a little oil into a pan. Please ensure you are using a non-sticky pan. Now add in your potato wedges. So we're not frying this, we are only sauteing this. and please ensure you cook this on medium heat. Normally potato wedges is made with an oven, but not everybody has access to an oven, so if you want to enjoy potato wedges, you can use this method and you would still enjoy your potato wedges. But if you have an oven and you want to use it, you don't need to boil the potatoes. You can just smear the ingredients on it. Ensure you rub it with oil before adding the ingredients, then just bake it in the oven. So if you want to check the quantity of ingredients I use for this recipe, you can check it in the description box below. So we're going to saute this for a few minutes. Please ensure you are cooking on medium heat so your potato doesn't burn. After some minutes, flip the wedges to the other side so that it will be evenly cooked. So that's how you make your potato wedges. If you like this video, please hit the like button and let me know what you guys think about this recipe in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.